Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now that we're on our way and your holiday has started, I'd like to give you some further information regarding your well-being and safety in the sky. I do also ask that you do take a look at the back page of the shop magazine, which will give you further information regarding expectations and behaviour on board. I'd like to remind everybody this is a non-smoking flight, and all of the washrooms today are fitted with highly sensitive smoke detector alarms. For your comfort, we have 5 working washrooms today. There's one at the front of the aircraft in the premium cabin at row 1 on the left. In the main cabin you have 2 situated at row 30, one either side of the aisle, 2 right at the back of the aeroplane, again one either side. Do please ask that you do use the washrooms in your respective cabins and also on your side of the aircraft. So if you are sitting in the main cabin today, you have a choice of the 4 washrooms, 2 situated at row 30 and 2 right at the back. In the premium cabin at the front, there's just one. That's on the left-hand side. Can we please ask you not to cut across the working areas at the front and rear of the aircraft, please. In the premium cabin, the crossover point is situated at row 10. Also, can we please ask you not to cut across row 1, 10 or 30, please, as these customers have paid for extra legroom. I'd like to create a calm and relaxing atmosphere on board today. Need to advise you that TUI Airways has a zero tolerance and this is to disruptive behaviour of any kind. This includes any verbal or physical abuse to the crew, any drunken behaviour or abusive language towards anybody on board. For all of our safety today, this aircraft has been fitted with CCTV cameras. Once the seatbelt signs have been switched off, we will begin your in-flight service. The first main service today will be the bar, and you will find a full list of all the products available in the in-flight guide. They'll be serving you with a hot lunch, so with a choice of tea, coffee and wine. And then later in the flight, giving you the chance to buy from our onboard duty-free range. We'll give you further details later.
Mum, I thought you were going to drink the wine.
They'll be coming through with another bar service, and then approximately 2 hours before land, we'll then be serving you with afternoon tea. During the 2 meal services, as occurs this sitting behind you, can we please ask that you do put your seats in the upright position just for the duration of the 2 meal services, please. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax and enjoy the flight with us today. If there's anything we're telling the team can do to make your flight more comfortable, please do not hesitate to ask any one of us and we'll do our very best to satisfy your request. You will see the cabin crew moving around now. However, can we please ask you to remain seated just for a few more minutes until the captain switches off the seatbelt signs. I'd now like to introduce you to our 787-8 Dreamliner. This is our very first one in the fleet. At the moment we have 9 of the Dash 8s, like this one, and then we have 4 of the slightly newer, longer version, the Dash 9s. All the registrations are alphabetically, so this is TUI A for Alpha. It's an amazing aircraft to work on as crew and also to fly as a customer. As you can see, the windows are 30% bigger than any other aircraft window in the world, and these can be dimmed at the touch of a button. Do tend to fly higher and faster than a normal aircraft, so it does tend to take 40 to 45 minutes off the standard flight time. Have state-of-the-art turbulence sensors, so we normally have a smoother ride. And we also have a fantastic lighting system, and I'm now going to introduce you to our TUI Wave. We do hope you enjoy our 787 Dreamliner experience. Thank you.
Where we are. Way up in the sky. And don't forget about our game. Dad, don't forget about our game. We're above the clouds. fami-lee away.